Hi, in this video, we're going to learn how to compute the curl of a vector field. So in this problem, we're given the vector field f, and in order to compute the curl, we take the cross product of the del operator with the vector field, and the first row will have the unit vectors in each one of the base coordinates, so x, y, and z. The second row will have the partial derivatives in each of the base coordinates. And the third row will have what each component is described by the vector function. So we'll distribute the negative in for the y, and so now that we have this set up, we just take the cross product. So in order to find the x component, we'll compute like this. So this will equal to the partial derivative with respect to y minus the partial derivative with respect to z. And since this is a partial derivative with respect to y, these terms cancel. They don't have any y dependence. And for the z, this term cancel because they don't have any z dependence. This will turn into 1. So this is 1. And this will turn into negative 16z. And then this will ultimately be 16z plus 1, since we have to distribute the negative sign inside. Okay, so in order to find the y component, we'll compute along this. And for this one, there is a negative in front. So it will be the partial of x of 5x squared plus y minus 3z squared minus partial of z of 2x plus 4y cubed. And this will equal to, since these terms don't have any x dependence, they cancel. And then this will be 10x. And here, since none of the terms have any z dependence, they all cancel. So it will just be negative 10x. So now let's compute the z component. And this will be done by computing these diagonals here. So it will be the partial of x of negative 8z squared plus 3 minus the partial of y, 2x plus 4y cubed. And since none of these terms have an x dependence, they all cancel. And the only term that has a y dependence here is the 4y cubed, so this cancels. And this will equal negative 12y squared. And notice that the x component doesn't have a negative, the y component has a negative in front, and the z component doesn't have a negative in front. So the full solution will be 16z plus 1 x hat minus 10x y hat minus 12y squared z hat. So pretty much when computing for curl, it will just be the cross product with the first row as the unit vectors in each one of the base coordinates. And then after it's all set up, just take the cross product as normal, and you'll end up with the final solution. I hope this video helps. Thank you.